Hi, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to talk about neutrinos. So every second trillion of neutrino pass through body and you feel nothing. So what are these ghost particles? So these are tiny fundamental particle part of a standard model. A standard model is the best theory of our understanding of our fundamental particles. And neutrino come in three flavors. And neutrino come in three flavors: electron neutrino, muon neutrino, and tau neutrinos. Have no electric charge. They do have a weak charge and they can interact gravitationally. So these are the properties of these neutrinos. What are the sources of neutrino? Why do we trillion of neutrino pass through our body every second? Because a lot of things produce neutrino. Sun produces neutrino, these cosmic rays strike in the atmosphere that produces neutrino. You have nuclear reactors that produces neutrino, and you have radioactive decay, like even your bananas produce neutrino, you produce neutrino, and earth we can have particle accelerator that can produce neutrino. So there's a lot of sources of neutrino. That's why trillion of them pass through your body. But good news is they don't interact with your body. So that's why you don't feel anything. So how do we detect neutrinos? So no, they have no charge. They have no electric charge, so no electromagnetic interaction, tiny mass, so they barely affect. So gravity barely affects them. They only interact through weak force, so they can pass through matter like nothing happened. So, but we have detectors on Earth that can detect neutrino. One of them is ice cube. It's a Cherenkov detector. When neutrino pass through, it excite molecules inside the detector that can produce light. Then you have a microboon or dune, which uses LAR-TPC technology like this, which where neutrino interact with in the detector produce particles like electron, muons, and that ionizes, and these ionized electron is collected on this plane, so we can detect neutrino through that. So why neutrinos are very special? Neutrinos are very rare, and they are one of the mysterious particle in the standard model. One of the thing made neutrino very mysterious when they tried to calculate the amount of neutrino coming out of sun. They detect, and sun only produces electron type neutrino, and they detected a deficit of electron neutrino than they expected. They detected one third of the neutrino that should be and they detected one third of the neutrino than they expected, and this problem is known as the solar neutrino problem. And this the solution to the solar neutrino problem came out that the neutrino oscillate, that they can change identity when they are traveling in when they're traveling, so which is quite mysterious. We haven't seen these kind of particle that can change identity. So that's why neutrino are very special, and this neutrino oscillation won a Nobel Prize. So, and there's so much other things neutrino have. So like and share, subscribe if you want to know more about neutrinos.